Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you are watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English, where we learn and practice English together. In this video, we are going to learn another important use of the preposition from. This time we will focus on how from is used to indicate distance or difference. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. Imagine you want to describe how far something is from a specific place, from a specific point. You might say the school is 5 miles from my house. So here in this sentence, from indicates, it tells us the distance between the school and your house. Okay, it tells us the distance between them. Okay, now let's say you want to talk about like two items. You might say this shirt is different from that one. So in this case, you will see that it indicates the difference between the shirt. Okay, now let's try a few more examples. The airport is 10 kilometers from that city. Here, from tells us the distance between the airport and the city. Now, example number 2. Let's suppose you have prepared a model, okay, or it is, in this case you can say this model is an improvement from the old one. Okay, in this case you will observe that it tells us the difference between that. Okay, now let's say if you see the books, okay, these two books, you can say these are two different books. Okay, these are two different books. Okay, or we can say these are different from each other. Okay, different from. Okay, so we can see that it tells us the difference. Okay, suppose I am talking about the content in these books. You can mention or you can talk about the quality content or the weightage of the book. In the case could be anything. Okay, so you can say these books are different from each other. Okay, on the basis of anything. So from tells us the difference or distance between two items or between two objects. I hope this is clear. This concept is clear to you all. Now I want you to think of a situation where this concept is being used. Okay, try to describe the things like I am standing here and my phone is there. Okay, so I can say the phone is from the phone is 1 meter away from me. Okay, so try to explain the things which is around you. Okay, it will help you to practice your English. Okay, like you can say these two objects are different from each other. Okay, and that guy is 5 kilometers away from that city. Okay, from you can say Agra or anything. Okay, so try to use from to indicate distance or difference between two objects, two things, two items. Okay, now I think this is clear. If it is, then you can like, share and subscribe this video. Okay, and if not, then you should rewatch this video, and you should rewatch like 3 times. It will help you to practice your listening. Okay, you can practice your listening skill, okay, because listening is important. So you can practice listening by watching 3 times this video, or if you are not able to understand, then you can leave your comment in the comment box. So I think that's all for today. Keep learning and keep getting better. I will get back to you soon with a new video. Thank you so much.